Friends, this is Thai River in the Tirvin circle of Leparada district, Arunachal Pradesh, and this is best for amateur river rafting and angling, especially in June, July. This is a terrific fishing spot. You can see lots of rapids here. You can enjoy rafting as well. So please do contact the given below phone number to know the exact date they want to organize this fishing, angling and river rafting, because to begin with one should not go in a very risky places like Siang and all. So the best will be amateurs, first timers, to participate here in this river rafting in the Siang, in the Thai River, which is in the Tirvin circle of Leparada district, Arunachal Pradesh, Basar, Northeast India. Thank you.